The new problem is find maximum between two numbers. So first of all we need to go online C compiler. Then first of all we declare the variable. Here two variable name is num1 and num2. Both are integer type variable. So we write int num1 num2. Then we need to send message to user by printf and we write enter first number. Then we write scanf for input function %d ampersand num1. Here num1 is integer type, so we write %d. We just copy this for num2 and printf enter second number. Then by scanf we input this %d ampersand num2. Remember, ampersand will be added before variable in scanf function. Now we need to another variable named max. This is also integer type and we need to make condition. Here a is greater than b. If this condition is true, here condition is a is greater than b. If this condition is true, then first variable a will be assigned to max. If this is not true, then b will be assigned to max. Now we print the max value. Now we run, but there error will be occurred because a and b are not variable. Here variable is num1 and num2. So we fix this problem by num1 and num2 replace it. Here another problem, a and b also remain. So we need to replace by num1 and num2. Here code run. If here condition is num1 greater than num2. If condition is true, num1 will be assigned to max. Is not true, num2 will be assigned to max.